Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Pixel 8 Pro for visible by Verizon. So as I'm recording this video here, the Pixel 8 Pro is up for pre-orders at visible by Verizon. So yeah, the Pixel 8 Pro is now here in a obsidian color, 128 gigabytes of storage there. So yeah, this is the Pixel 8 Pro, very nice looking phone and whatnot. Very nice looking wallpaper there too. So anyways, on the front of the phone, you guys have your whole point step for your front facing camera there, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. There's the right side of the phone, power button, volume keys. Power button, volume keys, and you have the camera bump down in the back. Speaking of the back, well, front and back here, y'all will have your triple camera system, camera flash, Google logo down the back, and has the camera bar like it has been for like the last two Pixel series. So very nice looking phone overall. It's more rounded this year, so if you guys like rounded traditional smartphones, this is the phone for you. So yeah, the Pixel 8 Pro can be had for $27.75 a month for 36 months. 0% APR or $9.99 full retail price, alright? So check that out, and I recommend that you guys get phone insurance for your phone. The Visible Protect plan, definitely worth checking out there to protect your phone. Why not get it, you know? Features: introducing Pixel 8 Pro, the all pro phone engineered by Google. It's sleek, sophisticated, powerful, and secure. With Google AI, you can do more even faster. The triple camera system includes a dedicated 5x telephoto lens, improved autofocus, and full resolution photography with pro controls, and the all-day battery charges faster than ever. Best for members that enjoy a Google AI experience for cutting-edge photos with Pixel's best pro camera yet. Of course, this is a 5G smartphone, of course, roaming on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport is up to date, alright? Specs: the Pixel 8 Pro has a 6.7-inch display. The Pixel 8 Pro weighs 7.5 ounces. Dimensions: 6.4 inches height, 3 inches width, and 0.3 inches depth. It takes a physical nano SIM card, or you have eSIM option as well. Android 14 on board. Rear camera 50 megapixel main camera with octo PD wide camera. Front facing camera is 10.5 megapixel dual PD selfie camera. It has a Google Tensor G3 chip and Titan M2 security code processor. It has 128 gigabytes of storage. Battery 240 hours of standby time. 4G usage 27.38 hours. Security: you have fingerprint unlocked with under display fingerprint sensor. You do have that. Face unlock, pattern, PIN password. Network: it has 5G sub-6 C-band and millimeter wave 5G. It has roaming, of course. What's included with the Pixel 8 Pro is your Type-C to Type-C charging cable, quick switch adapter, support card, which is interesting, and your SIM ejection tool. If you guys want to learn more about the Pixel 8 Pro, the second link will have that for you. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Google Pixel 8 Pro is now here at Visible by Verizon. So if you guys are wanting like the best Pixel phone of 2023, this is the phone for you. Very nice looking phone. Definitely worth checking out. If you guys like the more curved design, the Pixel 8 Pro is for you. So yeah, very nice looking phone, great specs, features. If you guys want the best of Google, here it is. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.